Hello guys, welcome back to new video, and today we're gonna learn about how to make money online just from your Android phone, Samsung phone, iPhone, laptop, desktop, any kind of thing. You just need an internet connection and a device and you're ready to go. Disclaimer, you don't need any experience. You can be a kid, a mom, a father, a teenager, a baby, a dog, a cat. You can do it and easily without any experience, without any previous experience in anything. You just have to follow through this video and focus on the videos so you can get the right steps and earn the money without skipping anything, because if you skip through the video you won't learn steps and how to make money. And before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe for daily making money online videos, and don't forget to like this video for more. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first website we have is called Zareclamai. It's actually, you're gonna get paid by watching YouTube videos or doing other tasks. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work, how to sign in, how to make the money. It's crazy website. You can make crazy amount of money. You can make up to $1,000 from this website. So they're telling you turn your time to profit. That's not important. You can earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Watching videos is the best way to earn the money, because like that's the highest paid thing to do, is watching the videos and playing the games and creating accounts. That's the easiest amount of money and the most paying amount of money. A month you can earn up to $150. Actually, that's a lie, because you can earn up to $1,000. I'm gonna show you a trick that can give you $1,000 each day without even worry about anything, easily. But it depends on your work ethic and your hustle and grind towards this video and towards this method I'm gonna give you. So you will click on registration or register on Zareclamai. By the way guys, that's available in App Store and Google Play. Like I told you guys, it's available worldwide, and you can download it from your iPhone or your Android phone, Huawei phone, Samsung, any kind Galaxy phone. You can download and earn the money. So when you sign in or after you register your account, that's easy step, so I'm gonna skip this step. You're gonna get into this page. Estimated earnings today so far, yesterday, the money that you made yesterday, and last 7 days in this month. And here's your balance. That's a brand new account guys right now. So I have another account I made like a couple $1,000, $10,000 like this in a couple days, but this is a brand new account. Show you step by step how to make the money. So you click on earn, as you guys can see, play games, fill out surveys, watch videos, online shopping. You can play games. Everyone plays games. I love to play games actually every single day. It's fun to do, and I think everyone loves to play games. So if you want to get the money or get to earn the money by playing games, go for this. But I suggest going for watching videos first, because it pays a crazy amount of money. You click on earn, and there is filling out surveys like I told you guys, and online shopping and playing games. As you guys told you, most of you guys are using your phone, your Galaxy phone or iPhone. Use this method to watch the videos and then play the games, and in your free time fill out surveys. So the tip from this website is to do it as much as possible. You're gonna earn more than $500 to $1,000 a day doing this easy stuff. Like imagine doing this every time and you're gonna earn $1,000. You just have to work. The next website is called Timebox. Timebox actually pays you to post on Facebook, install apps, answer surveys. This website won't pay you like the other one, but actually you need to check it out. It's good. You'll earn money, but that website, Zareclamai, you're gonna earn much more money than this website. So let me tell you, you can earn money as soon as you sign in or sign up, sorry, you will earn the money. There's 6 different payment methods, including PayPal, don't worry. So you're gonna do like surveys, watch the videos, post on Facebook, play games. And actually playing games, it's so crazy, it's so nice. So yeah, you need to click sign up, and when you are done signing up, this page will pop up. As you guys can see, there's a lot of customers around the world, from India, from Philippines, from Chile, from all over the world. Actually, they're making crazy amount of money, as you guys can see. And yeah, these people are just making this in a second. Like, wait like this for 1 hour, you'll see $100, $300. So yeah, there's surveys, content, tasks. You choose what you want, and there's the dashboard where you will see your earnings, and that's the payment methods. So yeah, it's actually a nice website. Actually, there's content. You see what the content you have to see. And actually, the thing about this website, it's nice and pays you fast. Actually, they pay you by PayPal, and the tasks are very easy. Like, you can do like easy things, just surveys, watching videos, playing games. It's actually a nice website, and people right now are earning money. It's a nice website, and you need to check it out. If you click on content, there's engagement, push clicks. They will show you like how what the things that you made, the videos, the awards, everything. Like, it's a good website to start with. And here's your dashboard. You will see your earnings, everything when you complete your verifying your email. It's actually a very nice website to start with. And if you click on earn, you're gonna see surveys, all these things. Like, it's very nice. There's refer, sending the link to people to sign up to the website, and you're gonna earn money. Like, imagine sending this to your friend, your parents, or somebody closer to you, just to earn the money. So yeah, it's a nice website. But the first website that I told you guys about, Zero Climate, is the highest paying website today. Don't forget to check these 2 websites out. And before we end this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, your family members, everyone, so you can help them earn money too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like this video for daily making money online videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.